New vocabulary word we're going to learn about today is a critical number. You're going to make a note card on this, just on this one word. A critical number is basically any place where the function is the derivative is equal to 0 or the derivative does not exist. Okay, so let's look at these two examples. So if I ask you to find a critical number, we need to look at the derivative. So step one is we're going to go ahead and take this derivative and we're going to go ahead and use the quotient rule here. So derivative of the top times the bottom minus derivative of the bottom times the top, all over denominator squared. Okay, now in order to go ahead and find the critical numbers, this is where we're going to have to simplify our answer. So I'm going to go ahead and I see there's a 2x that I can factor out. That's going to leave me with a 2x plus 1 minus x. Denominator stays the same, so I have 2x and then x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 squared. So this is my derivative. Now the question is, find all the critical numbers. So I'm looking for where this derivative is equal to 0. So the zeros come from the top of the fraction. So my zeros would be at x equals 0 and x equals -1. And then places where the derivative does not exist would be where the denominator equals to 0. Now you do have a place where it's x equals -1/2, but if you look at the definition of the critical number, it has to be a point on the original function. So it says that let f be defined at c. X equals -1/2 is not in the domain of the original function, so that's not actually a critical number. So these are my critical numbers here. Okay. Second one, much simpler. The derivative would be just 6x minus 12. Only critical number would be at x equals 2.